It's magical bends, magical forest of wheat. Ba-doo-boo, everything's great, everything's strange, everything's wonderful.
Shh! You're making Poopsies cry. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, Poopsie.
How on earth did he get a baby?
What, baby?
It's great in the forest of wheat where everything's wonderful. 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 What the hell?
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I sheep. So kids, today we have special guests from our friends at WKMN Wapakoneta. It's the cast of Happy Lamb's Happy Playtime Show. Lamb,
Playtime fun, now the fun has just begun on Happy Lamb's Happy Playtime Show. Oh, we'll learn how to eat, learn how to read, learn there's lots of things.
Hello everyone, I'm here with my best friend, Magical Ben.
Today we're going to talk about friendship and cross-cultural cooperation.
Oh God! Hey, I'm gonna get glue! Stuff his brain back in his mouth!
It's hard to put a brain back in with the loves. Lovely.
Anyway, there's nothing better than the rich rewards of an awesome friendship. After all, we may be from different networks with different ways of life and different problems, but we could still be friends.
That's true, even though our show is more popular than yours.
And it's better in the 18 to 35 demographic.
Hey, our line of merchandising is way better than your line of used tires.
Monkey balls!
But you guys have been around for a lot longer, so give us a break. We try hard.
You don't have a real audience.
Your show is at 1:30 in the morning. 1:30! Who's up then?
I have herpes. I mean, your sets are made of wallpaper.
Guys, this isn't nice. You're hurting my feelings.
We're soupy.
He means for sorry.
We get carried away with our own power sometimes.
It's okay. Let's all have a group hug.
That sounds dandy.
I'm going to find Mark's baby!
Ooh. That's right. Where is Mark anyway? What did you do?
Well, I think that's pretty obvious, dumbass.
Those were on loan, and thanks to you, some fine puppeteers have no fingers.